Are you tired of the rat race, living paycheck to paycheck? I know how you feel. There's three things you need to consider. Oh my god, the lighting is really bad. There's three things you need to consider when going to Thailand or any other place in Southeast Asia or South America for that matter, or Africa. There's really three things that you need to consider. And number one is visa, number two is vaccinations, and number three, finances. How are you going to support your travel? But also let me show you where I'm at. I don't know, you cannot really see it. It's a temple, and I'm hoping to be able to show it to you while I'm talking to you. Yeah, number one is visa, and I have a video about the visa options here in Thailand. And if you want to go in a different country, of course you have to check what type of visa you can get and how you can get a visa. You have to check the visa requirements for your own country anyways, and regardless, even if I told you how it is and how it was for me, it might be different for you. So the way to do that, you're going to call your embassy. Essentially, you're going to call the embassy in your own country. For example, if you want to go to Thailand, I really hoped that I can show you how beautiful this place is, but on the camera it's nothing. It's so beautiful, and it reflects from the lights outside. It's very shiny, very beautiful. But yes, you have to call the embassy of Thailand in your own country, for example, if you want to come to Thailand, and just ask them about the visa visa requirements, or what type of visa you can get. I see there are dogs there, so I'm not gonna go there. This has been a pretty bad idea to bring you here. Lighting is bad. There's the dogs here. In daylight it's much more beautiful. I'm gonna show you. But that's how you find out more information about the visa. And then honestly, the countries that I prefer the most are the countries where you don't need to worry about a visa and you'll get visa on arrival, right? Thailand for me is one of them. I get a visa on arrival, as I said. I have another video on the channel about this. I'm not gonna talk about it again. By the way, we're leaving this place because you cannot see nothing. I cannot show you anything, and it's pretty dark to record videos. Number two is vaccinations. I should be having a video about that on the channel as well, if I don't already. Same with the visa. It's not yet published, at least not at the moment when I'm recording this video, but go watch those videos on my channel about the visa and vaccination. Those are really important, and don't let them put you off. Don't let these things put you off. They're not as complicated or as maybe overwhelming. They are overwhelming, but they're not as complicated as they may seem. Just take everything step by step. Plan ahead. And with the visas, by the way, and with the vaccinations, by the way, you do them once and you can go in the whole region and you'll be fine. So the whole Southeast Asia, not just Thailand, for example, right? So it's just do them once, take care of that, and then it's all good. Third thing is finances. Now, I will have a video about this as well. And I already have a few. But I'm gonna soon make another one. Maybe it's gonna be on the channel before this one. Actually, I believe you shouldn't travel on your savings. There is a smarter way to do things. And that is to either have a remote job or have a skill which would allow you to freelance. And I do the latter. I am a marketing freelancer and I run Facebook ads for local businesses. Facebook and Instagram ads for local businesses. That's what I do. And honestly, I'm able to save more money than I would if I would be living in the West, in a country like USA, Denmark, UK. UK is not a country, but England, Scotland, Ireland. So you can actually, if you do things right, not only that you are traveling, you're also making money and you're also able to save. So with this I can help, not with a remote job, but I can teach you what I know about running Facebook ads and Instagram ads for local businesses. I don't make $10,000 a month. It's possible you can do that, but that is why I also call myself a freelancer, because that's what I am. I don't have a business in the sense that I have employees, full-time employees, and so on. Now, I can teach you that. Yes, it is a paid coaching program. If you want to learn more about this, about what I do, and maybe how I can help you to do the same thing, send me an email and let's take it from there. And if we are a good fit, if this is something for you, as I said, we take it from there. If not, totally fine, no problem. Just either do it on your own, find a skill that you can, that will give you the ability to freelance, or try to find a remote job. Obviously the job should be, the company should be an American company or a company from the West that pays you, you know, a good salary. That's it. Those are the three things, and this is how you can escape the rat race. Don't stay in a place you hate. Know that there are options, there are ways out. So just do a little bit of research, think about what I said, and see what applies best for you. But those things, visas and vaccinations, those are necessities. If you have If you have a rich uncle that's willing to pay for your travels all the time, and if you come from a wealthy family, then you don't need to worry about the third thing. But that means you also probably are not in the rat race. That's it. Hope this video inspired you. See you in the next one.